Hi students, today we are going to continue with our lesson on place value. This week we've discussed how to create a place value chart, how to label our place value chart, and we discussed what base 10 blocks go in our place value chart as well as the value of each base 10 block. Yesterday we talked about word form, expanded form, and standard form. And today I have a worksheet for you where we're going to go deeper into the understanding of standard form. Now here on my board, we'll just do a quick little review before I go ahead and give you your worksheet to complete today. Okay. Now on my board, if you notice, I have, of course, my hundreds chart labels. I have my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. Now, literally, remember, in standard form, we are just writing the word. Remember, we are writing the number, the number. So, I have 100 in my hundreds place. I have 2 tens in my tens place. And I have 6 ones in my ones place. Now, when I said we're just writing the number, we're literally going to put those 3 numbers together, and we're going to come up with 126. Okay? So if you look at your worksheet, on the first one here, you have a certain number of 100 blocks, a certain number of 10 blocks, and a certain number of 1 block. I want you to go through, and I want you to label, okay? So right now, let's say this is reading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it's reading 5, but what would it be if I put it in my place value chart? I want to see that on the top, okay? Just so I can make sure you understand the value of each of these base 10 blocks that you have here, okay? Now, if we move further down to the bottom, you'll see that it's asking us to go from expanded form back to standard form. Now, remember, expanded form is literally the value of what you have in your place value. So if I have 1/100, the value of that is 100. If I have 2 tens, the value of that is 20, 10, 20. If I have 6 ones, the value of that is 6. Okay? So that's how I get expanded form, and I put my plus sign here. Okay? And that's expanded. Well, they want me to take this back and put it back into standard. Easy. Knock off these zeros. You'll never have any zeros in your ones place, so you don't have to worry about that. Knock out those zeros and just put those numbers back together. 126. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys about 20 minutes to complete the worksheet, and then we will come to the floor and whole group, and we will discuss the answers that we have gotten on this worksheet.